Welcome, and let us look at this question on logarithms. So we have evaluate 1 over log to base 2 of 6 plus 1 over log to base 3 of 6. So remember, if you have log to base a of b, you can write that as the log of b over the log of a. So let us apply this law to each of these expressions. So what we have is 1 over log to base 2 of 6 plus 1 over log to base 3 of 6. So now if we apply this, we're going to have the first one as 1 over log of 6 over log of 2 plus the second one, which is 1 over log of 6 over log of 3. So now if this is the case, we can now see that this 1 over a particular number, so it is the same as the reciprocal of the denominator. So it means, therefore, that we can write this as the reciprocal of this, that is log of 2 over log of 6. The same applies here, that is log of 3 over log of 6. So now the denominators are the common, so we can have this to a common denominator, that is log of 6. Then we have log of 2 plus log of 3. So according to the first law of logarithms, there are sum of logs. It is the same as the log of the product of the numbers. That is, we can take this as a log of 2 times 3. And that is still over log of 6. So now let us simplify this. So we're going to have log of 2 times 3, that is log of 6 over log of 6, which is just 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.